there, for those who don't know me, I'm Deborah Landry and I am going to show you today, I'm doing a little project. I got this very cool trash can and I got it off of Amazon. It's got this nice place for your hands, and what it does is it's designed to go on the edge of, it's supposed to go on a drawer front in your kitchen, and then it expands. Let me pull it out so you can see it. And it expands, and then when you're cutting your vegetables and stuff, you can throw it in here, and it just makes your chop really easy to clean up as you're chopping and stuff. So when I got it, my drawer fronts have big handles on them, and so this did not fit it fits on the drawer, but not on the middle of the drawer because of the handle. So what I'm doing right now is, I thought I'd show you really quick, is I'm creating a lip for that I can put underneath my cabinet. And so what it's going to do is okay, so it's 2 pieces of wood. You can see this here, 2 pieces of wood, and then I kind of beveled this right here, and then what I'm going to do is this is going to go on the drawer underneath the cabinet. I have some areas where I don't have any drawer fronts at all, and this is going to go under the drawer front under the cabinet, and then this will go right below it. So I just wanted to show you what this looked like, and what I'm doing now is and I was going to pull it apart, but I didn't realize that I already glued this together. And so I'm going to put 2 screws on the back side of this, and then let me see here real quick, put 2 screws. So I already pre-drilled my hole, and what that's going to allow me to do is, so when I go and put this up, then the holes that I make for the front of this is going to look really nice. I think what I'm going to do is, so what I'm going to do is, I have a little bit of wood showing on both sides of this, and I'm going to measure this and actually put the holes for it going into my cabinet here, so that you don't actually see them on the side. And I think I could have really made this much more so it's all hidden and stuff, but I think that I think it'll be just fine. I could have made it so that it was the exact same size. I'm not sure that that's really necessary. I'm going to stain it, and so let me stain this and get going on the project. You don't need to watch me stain. That's the easy part. Alright, so once I get this done, I'll show you the install. Alright, see ya. And so I just stained this, and I'm going to pre-drill some holes for the screws. And I just wanted to show you real quick, if you don't know about how to pre-drill something, this is a very easy way to do it, is to figure out the size of your screw and your drill bit. And what you want to do is, you want to make sure that your drill bit, when you put it on top of the screw, that you're either just barely seeing you're only barely seeing threads, and that way you're not going to split your wood, and the threads are still going to sink into the wood. And for this project, I'm pre-drilling so that so that I'm going through this wood all together, and then this here, the very last part, is what's going to be going into the cabinet, into the wood for my cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and create these holes real quick, and then after that, we're going to move into the kitchen and finish this project up. So it has, hey there, so welcome to my kitchen. and there's a big glare window right here behind my head, so excuse that. But I'm going to tilt this down so that you can see. This is going to be the best area right here, so I'll be able to do my cutting here, and then I'll be able to sweep my garbage, vegetable trash down into my little new trash can. So let me tilt this and let me show you. I have tested this out, and I'm looking at it like my bracket to go right about here. And one of the important things is that I wanted it to be close to the countertop here, but it can't be so close that I can't get this off of here. So the trash can is going to be able to slide onto here, and then it needs to be able to be bracketed on here. But if I have it too tight, then I won't actually be able to take the trash can off. And of course I want to be able to do that to be able to wash this out if it needs to be washed. So this is actually designed, let me show you. So it's actually designed right here is a drawer, and it's really designed for the drawer, and you would be able to pull the drawer out and hook this onto the front of the drawer. And like I said, the problem with that, with all of my drawers, is that I have these really big handles in the front of the drawers, and so I'm not able to use the drawer. So I'm looking at this, and I've decided that this is right here is where I want this right here. And let me get and I have already pre-drilled this here, and so I'm going to center this on here, and I've already marked this out here. Double check, yeah, like right there, and I should be able to, and I've also checked the inside of my drawer to make sure that nothing is going to get in the way. Whoops, I'm mounting my new trash can, and I put the bracket up here, and I'll show you how awesome this little guy is. Okay, so now it's nice and sturdy, and I'll be able to pull it out just like that. I'll have a little bag here, and then let me show you. Right here is my cutting board, so I will be able to cut, and then literally just kind of throw my food scraps right into my little bucket. So I hope you enjoyed